Welcome back. Stick around. Pull up a seat. Grab some popcorn. Because you're going to watch this video in a new way you've probably never seen the PowerPivot move. For those who don't know enough about this new technology, Waterfed PowerPivot, trad style. I call it trad style because trad style is traditional with water-fed, which means there's soap in the line. Now, water-fed PowerPivot would just be pure water. It could be either or, but if it's with soap in the line, then someone should express that. There's not enough people talking about this new technology because there's only a handful of people using it. Only actually 2 or maybe 3 that I know of that are using it this way. And no, you will never hear them explain it in depth like I have and like I'm about to. Now, there's one thing that I have not showed y'all with this PowerPivot. This is going to be the versatility of the tool in general and how you want your workflow to go. I am going to slow the flow rate down. I have a flow control in my trad backpack, I should say. And when you do this, you should only do this with a PowerPivot. Now, under normal circumstances, you will see me pre-spray and pre-scrub, but not the whole window. You want to scrub it in areas where you think you're going to get some resistance. Hold on 1 second. Let me pay for this toll. All right, so you want to, when you have a big, huge window, and most of us don't, but when you have a big, huge window, like the one I'm about to show you, I mean huge, probably one of the biggest windows you will ever find in the industry, with the exception of maybe some big commercial windows, but you don't want to go spraying the whole window down because it's not necessary with a one pass, right? You just want to get the pad wet so it can clean the whole window. You don't have to get it all wet so you can try to clean 2 windows. It's not necessary with a tool like that. So you really, really don't need a whole lot of water on one glass because you know you got multiple big windows. All right? That's not the workflow of this tool. You want to spray the center. If you're out of water on that pad, you want to spray the center of the window and agitate where the water is sliding down the window from the center and get some on the pad and go to the left, to the right, but not trying to pre-scrub the whole thing. This will allow you to squeegee the whole glass without scrubbing it. I've showed you this. Now, I'm going to show you how to just go right into squeegeeing without pre-spraying and without pre-scrubbing. This is really, really moving fast now. You could bust out so many windows because I said before, there's no one climbing up there with a pole and from the ground trying to put fingerprints up there. So you really don't need to scrub anything on the inside, up top. Unless, of course, the windows haven't been done in so long. But if you're there on a weekly and bi-weekly count, there should be no reason why you should be scrubbing the heck out of the upper part of the windows. Everything that's soiled will be head level or below. Can we agree upon this? So you just agitate where needed. So if no one touched that window, you should be scanning your windows before you even attempt to clean it, so you can concentrate on the heavily soiled areas anyway. Because when you pre-spray your windows or pre-mop your windows, even the old school way, I always dip my mop and don't wring it out too much, but not to the point where it's dripping all over the tables and the floor, and I slap it on a window, I slap it on the next window, flip it around, slap it on the next window. I will mop 4 windows ahead with the same mop, and then I will go back to where I started, put the squeegee on, and get the squeegee in. You will know just how far to go, given the speed of your workflow. This will allow you to clean it before it starts to dry up. But remember what I told you, with a 1-pass, you don't have to worry so much about it drying up. Why? Because that pad stays lubricated. Even when you're squeegeeing off the glass, the water is getting back on the pad. It's just working smarter. If you can't see the concept in that, then you have a really lot to learn with window cleaning. It may not seem like rocket science, it may seem simple, but you do have to put a little thought into what you're doing. But we'll see when we get there.
Good when the window's easy, gotta wear it so your head used to be. Slip good when the window's easy, gotta wear it so your head used to be. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slip good when the window's easy, gotta wear it so your head used to be. Slide down the window and chill. Watch it scroll. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Good with the window's easy, gotta wear it so your head used to be. Running his mother's on the bridge in the container. When I feel the bush, just a little stranger. So I slide down the reservoir, watching the door like a cautious son. But all of your mind, I'm really going to lose the whole lifetime. You know, I'm right, I'm listening to all that. With my eyes on the honey, with my back. The wind is the rain, so it's short, my short. It's like the black hole, I was feeling more than the slide down the window and watch it scroll. 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 Gotta wear it so your head used to be. Good when the window's easy, gotta wear it so your head used to be. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. 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 Use a wagtail, it's just top flight, like a tail is more. The water was fall. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slide down the wagtail, it's just top flight, like a tail is more. The water was fall. Slide down the window and watch it scroll. Slide down the window and
Like the way he's speaking, his confidence is peaking.